Hi, my name is Dwight, and I'm a contractor out of Boise, Idaho. Without going into the big, long story about it, I do want to tell you something. Last year, I was approached by a marketing company who said they could help me. They were going to get my website going. They were going to, get my Google presence up and all this other stuff. After several $1,000s, and it was my last several $1,000s, they just about ruined me. They didn't understand me. They didn't know what I wanted. They got the tone of my business completely wrong. I was desperate. I didn't know what to do. I had pretty much given up. And then I saw a couple of contractor friends of mine who had been dealing with Brian Adams with the Contractors Contractor. And I decided, what's it going to hurt? I had an hour-long conversation with that man that changed my life. And I'm not kidding. I'm not being melodramatic about this whole thing. He understood me. He was the first marketing person that I talked to who knew exactly what I was feeling. And he'd been in my shoes, whether it was trying to find a marketing company that could help him or being a contractor. He knew what I was dealing with. And because of that, he was able to talk to me and he was able to guide me in the right direction. And because of that, I took a chance, I went with him, and I'll tell you what, it's going to change my business. He cleaned up my website and made it exactly what I wanted. Everybody else thought they were listening to me, and they didn't. Brian listened to me. He knew exactly what I wanted, and he delivered that product. And he's going to continue to do so. And he's given me great tips about doing video testimonials and how to reach people. And he's fantastic. And I'm telling you, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. You need this for your business. You call Brian. You talk to him. You tell him what you need. I guarantee you he's going to take care of it for you. And frankly, at pretty darn reasonable prices. And it's worth it.